So 200,000 was that small change for you?
No, I'm not saying that.
You're not saying that. Okay. So the 200,000, and did you go to the Beverly Hills with the 200,000? Was it again in a Woolies bag, or was it in some other, maybe a Checkers or a ShopRite bag?
We always operate with Woolies bag.
Again?
Yes.
Oh, it's your favorite bag?
Yes. That's the money bag.
It's a money bag?
Yes.
So, again, how did you access that cash? Did you come to the Beverly Hills with the 200,000? Did you come with the 200,000?
Yes.
Biziwe.